Asteria Aerospace has successfully delivered its largest ever order of AT-15 Vertical Takeoff and Landing (VTOL) drones to the Indian Army. This development is a testament to Asteria's commitment to advancing India's defense capabilities and aligns with the government's vision of Atmanirbhar Bharat, or self-reliant India. Asteria Aerospace is a full-stack drone technology company based in India, specializing in the design, manufacturing, and deployment of drone solutions tailored for various applications, including defense and homeland security. The company has developed a range of UAVs that are equipped for tasks such as surveillance, reconnaissance, and critical infrastructure inspections. The AT-15 drone, in particular, is noted for its superior endurance and operational range, making it suitable for military applications. The contract with the Indian Army not only marks a pivotal moment for Asteria, but also underscores the growing reliance on indigenous technology in India's defense sector. This initiative supports the Atmanirbhar Bharat campaign, which aims to reduce dependency on foreign military imports and bolster local manufacturing capabilities. The Indian government has been actively promoting self-sufficiency in defense through various policies and incentives, including the Production-Linked Incentive (PLI) scheme, which aims to enhance domestic production and innovation in the UAV sector. The AT-15 Vertical Takeoff and Landing (VTOL) drones from Asteria Aerospace stand out in the drone market due to several unique features that enhance their operational capabilities, particularly for military applications. Here are the key aspects that differentiate the AT-15 from other drones. Unique features of AT-15 VTOL drones. 1. Versatile VTOL capability. The AT-15 can take off and land vertically, allowing it to operate in confined spaces without the need for runways. This feature is crucial for military operations, enabling deployment in diverse environments such as urban areas, forests, and mountainous regions. 2. Advanced payload flexibility. The drone is designed to carry multiple payloads simultaneously, which increases its operational efficiency. It can accommodate various sensors and equipment tailored for specific missions, including surveillance, reconnaissance, and logistics support. 3. High-endurance flight. The AT-15 boasts extended flight times compared to many competitors, enabling it to cover larger areas without frequent recharges or refueling. This endurance is vital for prolonged missions in defense scenarios. 4. Robust autonomy and control. Equipped with sophisticated autonomous flight systems, the AT-15 can navigate complex environments with minimal human intervention. Its advanced flight control algorithms ensure stability and precision during operations, enhancing mission effectiveness. 5. Durability in harsh conditions. Constructed with high-quality materials, the AT-15 is built to withstand extreme weather conditions. This durability ensures reliable performance during critical missions, regardless of environmental challenges. 6. Enhanced safety features. Safety is paramount in military operations, thus, the AT-15 includes advanced obstacle avoidance systems that allow it to detect and navigate around obstacles in real time. This capability reduces the risk of accidents during flight. 7. Customization options. Asteria Aerospace offers customization options for the AT-15, allowing military clients to tailor the drone's capabilities to meet specific operational requirements. This adaptability makes it a versatile tool for various defense applications. With this contract, Asteria Aerospace is positioned to play a crucial role in enhancing India's defense capabilities. The successful deployment of its drones will likely lead to increased demand for advanced UAV technologies within both military and civilian sectors. Furthermore, as India aims to become one of the largest drone markets globally by 2025, Asteria's advancements could pave the way for further innovations and exports in drone technology. Asteria Aerospace's contract with the Indian Army represents a significant step forward in India's journey towards self-reliance in defense technology, reinforcing the importance of domestic manufacturing and innovation in meeting national security needs. Thanks for watching.